UH-1 Papa. I think most people would know this without even reading about it. Check it out. I'm loving the mascot on the front.
Yeah. The blades are massive.
Yeah, they're huge. If you ever watch MASH,
Yeah.
you'll see these with a bucket on the side for medevacs. No radar incoming. Yeah, such an amazing helicopter. Obviously, many of them are still in operation today.
Check out this cockpit.
Do you know where the captain sits when he's flying?
No, is it not the left?
PIC's in the right seat.
Oh, really?
Yep.
I like this cockpit. It looks really roomy and
Yeah. Obviously, the old six-pack, everything's still pretty basic, which is cool.
I like how they kept all the instrumentation in there.
Yeah. Yeah, I think all these airplanes are technically